Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about an absolute new series which I'm naming the Plan With Me series. I've always kind of been fond of bullet journaling and I thought it'd be nice to share it with you guys. So let's just get right into the video. Since we're journaling for the month of September, I decided to go with the theme of leaves. What I'm doing is simply writing the word September in the middle of the sheet and drawing a few leaves lightly with the pencil just so that I have a rough stencil. Now I took an orange brush pen and wrote the word September with it. I'm still fairly new to lettering I think, but I think I'm improving with time. If you guys would want a tutorial on that, please do leave a comment below and let me know. Now I'm mixing the shade yellow and red to get a nice subtle orange, and I'm filling in not all the leaves, a couple of leaves with the shade of orange and a few others with a light yellow. So I wanted to add more color to my cover page, which is why I decided to go with this grayish blue tone. I just simply added black, blue and white. You can choose whatever color you want. It's absolutely up to your own preference. Once all of that dried out, I took a black marker and started outlining September. So I haven't completely outlined it all the way through. There are certain areas where it's on the inside and then certain areas where it's on the outside. If you guys want to see how I did it, there's a picture on my Instagram where you could get a much closer look, and it just makes the entire word pop out much more. Once that was done, I started outlining my leaves and then filling them in. Now I've used single lines on the inside, double lines, multiple lines. It's actually absolutely up to you. You can get as creative as you want. So next what I wanted to do was a monthly planner and a mood tracker. I had both my headings written with pencil again, and just the area where my headings were written, I've colored it with orange and yellow watercolor. Once I finished that, I decided to make a table of 6 columns and 5 rows, which is going to give me the 30 days for the month of September. I numbered each of the box from 1 to 30, so each box actually represents the date. Taking my black brush pen and completing the monthly planner heading. Initially it was actually wet, so you want to be careful before you go ahead and complete your headings. You want to let the paint dry. Moving on to the next page, I'm simply completing the heading on this side as well. Tiny boxes below that, and each box actually represents an emotion. So I've filled it with happy, sad, lazy and calm. Now I'm making 30 lines on top of my heading, and the reason why I'm going with 30 lines is because each one represents a single day of the month of September. Once I've completed that, I'm actually making tiny cute little bulbs at the end of all of these lines. Almost done with everything. I'm just simply erasing any pencil lines that I see, and each of the boxes that I had for the emotions, I'm filling it with a different color. So the day I'm feeling happy, if it's a yellow color, I'll color my bulb as yellow for that day. And that is pretty much it guys for the month of September. I had a really fun time creating this one for you guys, and if you liked it too, please do share it with your friends. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.